Hi, this is Liberty from beforeandafters.com. I am going to show you how to copy this shirt by making a pattern. I had the idea to copy this shirt because I saw one just like it in silver velvet and I really wanted it. And I said, I can make that. The silver shirt I had seen looked exactly like a black one that I had. And I also had extra silver velvet fabric. This is a very simple shirt, just like a t-shirt. So all I would need is a front, a back, and a sleeve. Partway through, I thought maybe I should make the armholes a little bigger. But if I had done that, I would have cut the shirt front and back armholes in the wrong place. I would have cut them bigger at the bottom when I should have cut them bigger up at the shoulder. But it worked out since I didn't mess with it. I have had this black velvet shirt for 15 years. It's comfortable, it goes well with so many things, and so I just knew that I would love having a silver version. This is my first time videoing an entire project instead of just taking pictures, so I hope you enjoy seeing the process. The front of the shirt is laying on the paper, and that's what I'm tracing. So what you see is the shirt back on top. Remember not to use your fabric scissors for cutting out the pattern. These are not my fabric scissors. These are actually my kitchen scissors. They get used for everything. Actually, you don't have to trace the entire shirt. You can just trace half of it and then fold the pattern and cut the fabric on a fold. The sleeve was curved at the seam on the part that I couldn't trace, so I just did my best and it worked out. If I had thought of it sooner, I could have cut the shirt front and back the same way I did the sleeve, on a fold. Since I wanted to cut the shirt front and the shirt back on a fold, I folded my silver velvet fabric towards the middle so that I had two folds to work with. Kind of like two doors opening from the middle. Of course, the fabric is folded right sides together, and then I needed to pin it. When you run your hand on velvet fabric, it feels smooth in only one direction. So I made sure that my pieces all faced the same direction regarding the smoothness. And that direction is up. I noticed that's the way it was on my other shirts, so I made this one the same way. I have had this little crocheted hat pincushion for a long time. I'm not even sure I remember who gave it to me. You can see that I'm using my fabric scissors now. I bought them half price at Hobby Lobby. I needed to cut two of the sleeve pieces since I was not cutting it on a fold. While I have done a lot of sewing, I don't remember ever making my own pattern of a shirt before. Here are my 4 pieces all ready to sew. First, I pinned the side seams. Then pin the shoulder seams. I knew that the black shirt that I copied fit me, but when I saw this gray fabric, I was really tempted to make it smaller because it looked so big, but it actually did fit me very well. And then I remembered that black looks smaller just because it's black. Carefully sew the shoulder seams. Before you attach the sleeves to the shirt, you need to fold the sleeve and sew the short seam of it. It's easier to hem the sleeve before you attach it to the shirt, so I just hemmed it with a simple rolled hem. I sewed the hems carefully since they would show. I turned the shirt inside out and left the sleeve right side out so that when I pinned them, they would be right sides together. Since the velvet is stretchy, it made fitting the sleeve to the body much easier than if the fabric had not been stretchy. I was really happy with how the first sleeve turned out. If I make another long-sleeved version of this shirt, I will hem the neck a different way by adding a neck facing. Hemming the neckline is the second hardest part, besides sewing the sleeves. When I sewed the second time around the neck, I sewed on the front top side instead of sewing from the back. It was really fun to work with this soft velvet. It was very luxurious feeling. My machine skipped a few stitches, so I just hemmed all the way around again. I really hope you have enjoyed seeing how to copy a shirt by making your own pattern. Thanks for watching.